Thank you for watching our video. Please give us a big like, subscribe to our channel for new videos every day with amazing cars. Leave us your opinion in the comment section on the video. Thank you. On the heels of the 2018 New York International Auto Show Industry Preview Days, Mercedes-AMG took over New York City's premier Mercedes-Benz dealer in Manhattan to reveal the updated C63 AMG lineup. The 2019 C63 models include a revised coupe, convertible, and sedan, which were all showcased alongside the all-new AMG GT 63's four-door coupe at the Javits Center. The W205-based C63 AMG surfaced back in 2015, beginning with the sedan. The latest C63 AMG models receive a list of updates to keep it up with the times. But the changes only amount to subtle updates to exterior and interior design elements. That means the C63's 4.0-liter biturbo V8 remains unchanged in both power guises, serving up either 469 horsepower in standard form or 503 for the S model, and a 0-60 time in the neighborhood of 4 seconds. The AMG SPEEDSHIFT MCT 9-speed automatic, however, does benefit from some recalibrating, which Mercedes-AMG says allows the updated C63 to shift faster under hard acceleration. The suspension and chassis also remain the same, though Mercedes-AMG implemented some changes to the AMG Dynamics driver-selectable profiles, which adjust the behavior of the adaptive suspension, the response of the throttle, engine, and transmission, and the steering. For instance, there are new agility functions as part of AMG Dynamics, offering basic, advanced, pro, and master profiles, in addition to the 6 pre-existing drive programs. As for those styling updates, the C63 models across the board sport new front grille and a reworked lower fascia, slightly reshaped side skirts, and new AMG light alloy designs on the outside. According to Mercedes-AMG, the changes amount to functional improvements with the C63's aerodynamics, improving the cooling of the brakes while increasing efficiency of airflow. The rear also benefits from some changes, with updated double exhaust tips and a remodeled rear diffuser. On the inside, Mercedes-AMG introduced a new combination of Mercedes-Benz's legendary MBTEX vinyl and Dinamica microfiber for the seats. Buyers can also opt for three new choices of interior trim: natural grain gray oak wood, natural grain walnut wood, and a combination of carbon fiber and aluminum. Also helping to change up the interior are new steering wheel designs, revisions to the visual display units, and the inclusion of a new built-in racetrack timing clock and data logger as part of the all-new AMG Track Pace option. Mercedes-AMG says the new C63 AMG models will hit your nearest showrooms in early 2019, with pricing to be announced closer to that date. Thank you for watching our video. Please give us a big like, subscribe to our channel for new videos every day with amazing cars. Leave us your opinion in the comment section on the video. Thank you.